Good morning or good afternoon. You are taking the Esperanza Rising mid-unit quiz or assessment. I will be reading over each question and explaining what the expectations are. You will be doing your best on this. First, you will see that it says listen to chapter 9, Las Reales Plums, by clicking on the underlined title. If you do not hit Control and click, it will take you off the screen and end what you are working on. As I have not allowed you to reopen today, if you leave it, you are done for today. And that means that you are not going to get as much time to finish, as you will not have a full period tomorrow to complete. Please hit the Control, CTRL, and this, or open it up in a separate tab from Google Drive. Then answer the questions using your best short answer writing. That means the same expectations as you would for any assignment that is graded. We will have a claim, you'll have evidence, you'll explain, evidence, explain, and conclusion. Remember to use a claim, provide evidence, and explain how your evidence connects to your claim, and then a close. I will read each question. If you would like to be able to hear the question in addition to having it read to you, you will pause the video, answer the question, and then start it again for the next question. Number 1. What happens in this chapter? Write a 1 or 2 sentence summary. What is this chapter mostly about? Number 2. This chapter is titled Las Reales Plums. Why do you think Pam Munoz Ryan chose this title for the chapter? How does this title relate to the main events or ideas in this chapter? Number 3. Reread pages 139 to 143 and think about the challenge Esperanza is facing at this point in the novel. Complete the T-chart below, citing evidence from the text. You cannot write on this one, but I've included one down here that you may work on. If you will notice over here on the left, you have a text tool. You click on the A, click in the box, and then you can start typing. If you can type for as long as you want. It will continue to go off the page. But if you click on this orange bar here, you are going to see my battery's low. You can get the left alignment and it won't go off the page. I am less concerned about being off the page than I am identifying what your challenges are and your responses with an S, that means more than one, over here. You could choose to number if there's more than one challenge. Number and then response, number then response. It should say challenges as well. Oh, if you make a mistake, you can hit the back button and it will take off what you are working on. Number 4. Make an inference. What does Esperanza's response to the challenge on pages 139 to 143 tell us about her as a person? Cite evidence from the text to support your answer. The next few questions are connected to this passage. It is found on page 157. Esperanza felt Alfonso behind her, putting his hands on her shoulder. She felt the blood drain from her face. She wanted to tell the doctor that she could not lose Mamma too. She had already lost Papa, and the Abuelita was too far away. Her voice strangled with fear. All she could do was whisper the doctor's uncertain words, "If she survives." Number 5. In one sentence, summarize the challenge Esperanza and Mamma are facing at this point in the novel. Again, this question connects back up here. There are 2 examples of figurative language in this excerpt. Number 6. What does it mean to have blood drain from your face? Number 7. What does it mean to say Esperanza's voice was strangled with fear? Number 8. How does the author's use of the words drain and strangled help us understand how Esperanza is feeling? Please take your time. You will have not a full period tomorrow, so please use this time effectively. Thank you. Have a good day and good luck.